Christian Pulisic is one of the most recognizable footballers the United States has ever produced. His journey from a young boy with a dream to becoming the captain of the U.S. men's national team and a star in European football is a story of determination, sacrifice, and relentless hard work. Known for his speed, creativity, and technical ability, Pulisic has inspired millions of young players to believe that an American can succeed at the highest level of world football. Early life. Christian Pulisic was born on 18 September 1998 in Hershey, Pennsylvania, USA. He grew up in a family that loved soccer. Both of his parents played the game, and they encouraged him to develop his skills from an early age. Even as a child, Christian showed remarkable talent. He spent countless hours practicing ball control, dribbling, and shooting. Unlike many children who viewed football as just a hobby, he treated every practice session as an opportunity to improve. Chasing a bigger dream, Christian understood that if he wanted to compete with the world's best, he needed to train in Europe's elite football environment. As a teenager, he joined the youth academy of Borussia Dortmund in Germany. Moving to another country at such a young age was challenging. He had to adapt to a new culture, language, and a much more competitive football system. However, these obstacles only strengthened his determination. His coaches quickly recognized his exceptional ability. His pace, intelligence, and confidence on the ball made him one of the academy's brightest prospects. Breaking into professional football. In 2016, Christian made his first team debut for Borussia Dortmund. At only 17 years old, he impressed fans with fearless performances against experienced professionals. He became one of the youngest players to score for Dortmund and soon established himself as a regular starter. His quick feet, excellent vision, and ability to create chances earned praise across Europe. Many football experts began calling him the future of American soccer. Becoming America's leader, Christian also became a key player for the United States men's national team. Despite his young age, he accepted the responsibility of leading his country. He consistently delivered strong performances in World Cup qualifying matches, regional tournaments, and international friendlies. Eventually, he was named captain of the national team, becoming the face of American football for a new generation. Success in England. Christian later transferred to Chelsea, one of England's biggest clubs. Playing in the Premier League required even greater consistency because it is considered one of the toughest football competitions in the world. Although injuries occasionally interrupted his progress, he never lost confidence. He worked tirelessly to recover and returned stronger each time. One of the greatest moments of his career came when Chelsea won the UEFA Champions League, making him one of the first American players to achieve this remarkable honor. A new chapter. Later, Christian joined AC Milan in Italy. His move gave him a fresh start, and he quickly became an important player. His performances showed maturity, confidence, and leadership. He scored important goals, created opportunities for teammates, and demonstrated why he remains one of the finest American footballers of his generation. Playing style. Christian Pulisic is admired for his explosive speed, excellent dribbling ability, creative passing, accurate finishing, quick decision-making, strong work ethic. He usually plays as a winger but can also operate as an attacking midfielder or forward. Challenges and determination. No successful career is without setbacks. Christian has dealt with injuries and intense media pressure throughout his professional journey. Critics often questioned whether he could consistently perform at the highest level. Instead of giving up, he focused on discipline, recovery, and continuous improvement. His resilience became one of the defining features of his career. Influence beyond football. Christian's success has changed how many people view American soccer. Young players across the United States now believe they can compete with Europe's elite clubs. His journey has encouraged youth academies to invest more in player development and inspired countless children to pursue their dreams. He is respected not only for his football skills but also for his professionalism, humility, and dedication. Legacy. Christian Pulisic has already secured his place among the greatest footballers in American history. His achievements demonstrate that talent combined with hard work can overcome any obstacle. Whether wearing his club's colors or representing the United States, he continues to inspire millions of fans around the world. Conclusion. Christian Pulisic's life is a powerful reminder that success is built through persistence, courage, and constant self-improvement. From the small town of Hershey to the grand stadiums of Europe, his journey proves that dreams can become reality through dedication and belief.